Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
In the arena of Millennium Cricket League, F40 League Division A clash unfurled the saga, Hoboken Cricket Club versus the Shield. A classic bout of cricketing prowess awaited fans under a sky brimming with anticipation.
A crisp air of competition at the cusp of summer, and a game imbued with strategy. This was more than a match. It was a demonstration of skill where the Dominion of the Shield sought a stride to victory.
Recognize our event advertisers who made this thrilling match possible. As the steel of resolve met the forge of competition, we saw a battle not just between players, but also between anticipation and execution.
DifGen Pharmaceuticals, elevating healthcare with each product launch, like scoring a century in a World Cup final. And the Park Special, where every dish is a masterstroke of culinary genius. These partners exemplified the excellence we witnessed today.
Hoboken elected to bat, setting a modest target. A few flashes of brilliance, but none sustained. Then the Shield took to the crease, their batsmen wielding willows like warrior swords. A chase that became less a pursuit and more a statement of dominance.
It was a classic narrative of twist and turn. The Shield's bowlers, weaving a web of precision, set the scene. Then, their batsmen's thunderous chase rendered the air electric, showcasing how pivotal moments paved the path to cricketing immortality.
Hoboken's innings, a tale of starts and stops, found its anchor in Krish, who stood tall amid the ruins. The partnership with Karan proved vital, a glimmer of hope on a challenging pitch.
The Shield's bowlers executed their plans with surgical precision, with Venkat S. Pell casting a decisive blow. Economy and wickets were their twin blades, cutting through Hoboken's lineup with ease.
The Shield's batsmen marched in, with Dhiban and Sai scripting a partnership not built on runs alone, but on determination and panache. The chase was on, and the hunt was glorious.
Amidst the onslaught, Sridhar and Ashish provided glimpses of resilience for Hoboken, but the day belonged to the dominant, the Shield's batsmen, who seized the narrative and penned their own victorious chapter.
Dhiban's bat spoke volumes, a steady hand guiding his team to calm shores. Venkat, the bowler with the golden arm, turned the game on its head within just moments.
Their performance was more than impactful, it was the very engine of triumph. Dhiban's undefeated stance and Venkat's economical destruction were the cornerstones upon which the Shield's victory was built.
A strike to victory indeed, as the Shield triumphed by 8 wickets. Their pursuit was clinical, a testament to strategic acumen and relentless aggression. The margin? A reflection of their dominance.
Victory's sweetness was palpable, the result resonating as a siren of capability for the Shield. For Hoboken, it was a chapter of introspection, a chance to forge strength from the smolder of defeat. Today's game, a statistical tapestry, revealed the weight of partnerships and the sting of precision. As the dust settles, the figures etch a tale of dominance and resilience, setting the stage for future encounters.
As the sun dips behind the horizon, let us remember the mighty swing that sent the ball soaring, the crack echoing in our memories. This clash was not just another game, it was a milestone along the journey of cricket, etched within the dominion of the Shield.